وإذا قيل لهم آمنوا بما أنزل الله قالوا نؤمن بما أنزل علينا ويكفرون بما وراءه وهو الحق مصدقا لما معهم قل فلم تقتلون أنبياء الله من قبل إن كنتم مؤمنين.
When they are told, believe in what Allah has revealed, they say, we believe only in what was revealed to us, Israel. They deny everything else, even though it be the truth which confirms what they possess. Say to them, if indeed you are believers, why is it that in the past you killed the prophets of Allah who were from Israel?
وَلَقَدْ جَاءَكُمْ مُوسَى بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ ثُمَّ اتَّخَذْتُمُ الْعِجْلَ مِنْ بَعْدِهِ وَأَنْتُمْ ظَالِمُونَ.
Moses came to you with clear proofs, and yet you were so wont to wrongdoing that as soon as he was gone, you took to worshipping the calf.
وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَكُمْ وَرَفَعْنَا فَوْقَكُمُ الطُّورَ خُذُوا مَا آتَيْنَاكُمْ بِقُوَّةٍ وَاسْمَعُوا قَالُوا سَمِعْنَا وَعَصَيْنَا وَأُشْرِبُوا فِي قُلُوبِهِمُ الْعِجْلَ بِكُفْرِهِمْ قُلْ بِئْسَ مَا يَأْمُرُكُمْ بِهِ إيمانكم إن كنتم مؤمنين.
Recall the covenant we made with you and cause the mount to tower above you, stressing, hold to what we have given you with full strength and give heed to it. But their forefathers said, we hear, but we disobey. For their hearts were overflowing with love for the calf because of their unbelief. Say, if you are people of faith, then evil are the things that your faith enjoins upon you.
قل إن كانت لكم الدار الآخرة عند الله خالصة من دون الناس فتمنوا الموت إن كنتم صادقين.
Say to them, if indeed the last abode with Allah is yours, in exclusion of other people, then long for death if you are truthful.
وَلَنْ يَتَمَنَّوْهُ أَبَدًا بِمَا قَدَّمَتْ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِالظَّالِمِينَ.
But they shall never long for it, because of the evil deeds they have committed. Allah is well aware of the wrongdoers.
وَلَتَجِدَنَّهُمْ أَحْرَصَ النَّاسِ عَلَى حَيَاةٍ وَمِنَ الَّذِينَ أَشْرَكُوا يَوَدُّ أَحَدُهُمْ لَوْ يُعَمَّرُ أَلْفَ سَنَةٍ وَمَا هُوَ بِمُزَحْزِحِهِ مِنَ الْعَذَابِ أَن يُعَمَّرَ وَاللَّهُ بَصِيرٌ بِمَا يَعْمَلُونَ.
You will certainly find them most eager to cling on to life. Indeed, even more eager than those who associate others with Allah in His divinity. Each one of them wishes to live 1,000 years, although the bestowal of long life cannot remove him from chastisement. Allah sees whatever they do.
قل من كان عدوا لجبريل فإنه نزله على قلبك بإذن الله مصدقا مصدقا لما بين يديه وهدى وبشرى للمؤمنين.
Say, whoever is an enemy to Gabriel should know that he revealed this Quran to your heart by Allah's leave. It confirms the scriptures revealed before it and is a guidance and good tidings to the people of faith.
من كان عدوا لله وملائكته ورسله وجبريل وميكال فإن الله عدو للكافرين.
And if this is the cause of their hostility to Gabriel, let them know, whoever is an enemy to Allah, His angels and His messengers, and to Gabriel and Michael, will surely find Allah an enemy to such unbelievers.
وَلَقَدْ أَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكَ آيَاتٍ بَيِّنَاتٍ وَمَا يَكْفُرُ بِهَا
We surely send down to you clear verses that elucidate the truth, verses which only the transgressors reject as false.
أَوَكُلَّمَا عَاهَدُوا عَهْدًا نَبَذَهُ فَرِيقٌ مِّنْهُمْ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ.
Is it not that every time they made a covenant with Allah, a party of them set it aside? The truth is that most of them do not truly believe.
وَلَمَّا جَاءَهُمْ رَسُولٌ مِّنْ عِندِ اللَّهِ مُصَدِّقٌ لِمَا مَعَهُمْ نَبَذَ فَرِيقٌ مِّنَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا كتاب الله وراء ظهورهم كأنهم لا يعلمون.
And whenever a messenger from Allah came to them, confirming what they already possessed, a party of those who had been given the scripture flung the book of Allah behind their backs as if they knew nothing.
واتبعوا ما تتلو الشياطين على ملك سليمان وما كفر سليمان ولكن الشياطين كفروا يعلمون الناس السحر وما أنزل على الملكين ببابل هاروت وماروت وما يعلمان من أحد حتى يقولا إنما نحن فتنة فلا تكفر فيتعلمون منهما ما يفرقون به بين المرء وزوجه وما هم بضارين به من أحد إلا بإذن الله ويتعلمون ما يضرهم ولا ينفعهم ولقد علموا لمن اشتراه ما له في الآخرة من خلاق ولبئس ما شروا به أنفسهم لو كانوا يعلمون.
And then followed what the evil ones falsely attributed to the kingdom of Solomon, even though Solomon had never disbelieved. It is the evil ones who disbelieved, teaching people magic. And they followed what had been revealed to the two angels in Babylon, Harut and Marut, although these two angels never taught it to anyone without first declaring, "We are merely a means of testing people, so do not engage in unbelief." And yet they learned from them what might cause division between a man and his wife. They could not cause harm to anyone except by the leave of Allah, and still they learned what harmed rather than profited them, knowing well that he who bought it will have no share in the world to come. Evil indeed is what they sold themselves for, had they but known.
ولو أنهم آمنوا واتقوا لمثوبة من عند الله خير لو كانوا يعلمون.
Had they believed and been God-fearing, Allah's reward would have been better, had they but known.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تقولوا راعنا وقولوا انظرنا واسمعوا وللكافرين عذاب أليم.
O you who believe, do not say to the Prophet, Raina, lend ear to us, but say, Unzurna, favor us with your attention, and pay heed to him. A painful chastisement awaits the unbelievers.
ما يود الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب ولا المشركين أن ينزل عليكم من خير من ربكم والله يختص برحمته من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
The unbelievers, be they the people of the book or those who associate others with Allah in His divinity, do not wish that any good should be sent down upon you from your Lord. But Allah chooses for His mercy whomsoever He wills. Allah is Lord of abounding bounty.
ما ننسخ من آية أو ننسها نأت بخير منها أو مثلها ألم تعلم أن الله على كل شيء قدير.
For whatever verse we might abrogate or consign to oblivion, we bring a better one or the like of it. Are you not aware that Allah is all-powerful?
ألم تعلم أن الله له ملك السماوات والأرض وما لكم من دون الله من ولي ولا نصير.
Are you not aware that the dominion of the heavens and the earth belongs to Allah, and that none apart from Allah is your protector or helper?
أم تريدون أن تسألوا رسولكم كما سئل موسى من قبل ومن يتبدل الكفر بالإيمان فقد ضل سواء السبيل.
Or would you ask your messenger in the manner Moses was asked before? And whoever exchanges faith for unbelief has surely strayed from the right way.
ود كثير من أهل الكتاب لو يردونكم من بعد إيمانكم كفارا حسدا من عند أنفسهم من بعد ما تبين لهم الحق فاعفوا واصفحوا حتى يأتي الله بأمره إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
Out of sheer envy, many people of the book would be glad to turn you back into unbelievers after you have become believers, even though the truth has become clear to them. Nevertheless, forgive and be indulgent towards them, until Allah brings forth His decision. Surely Allah is all-powerful.
وَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ وَمَا تُقَدِّمُوا لِأَنفُسِكُم مِّنْ خَيْرٍ تَجِدُوهُ عِندَ اللَّهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ بَصِيرٌ.
Establish prayer and dispense zakah. Whatever good deeds you send forth for your own good, you will find them with Allah. Surely Allah sees all that you do.
وَقَالُوا لَن يَدْخُلَ الْجَنَّةَ إِلَّا مَن كَانَ هُودًا أَوْ نَصَارَىٰ تِلْكَ أَمَانِيُّهُمْ قُلْ هَاتُوا بُرْهَانَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
They say none shall enter the garden unless he be a Jew, or according to the Christians, a Christian. These are their vain desires. Say, bring your proof if you are speaking the truth.
بَلَى مَنْ أَسْلَمَ وَجْهَهُ لِلَّهِ وَهُوَ مُحْسِنٌ فَلَهُ أَجْرُهُ عِندَ رَبِّهِ وَلَا خَوْفٌ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا هُمْ يَحْزَنُونَ.
None has any special claim upon reward from Allah. Whoever submits himself completely to the obedience of Allah and does good will find his reward with his Lord. No fear shall come upon them, nor shall they grieve.
وقالت اليهود ليست النصارى على شيء وقالت النصارى ليست اليهود على شيء وهم يتلون الكتاب كذلك قال الذين لا يعلمون مثل قولهم فالله يحكم بينهم يوم القيامة فيما كانوا فيه يختلفون.
The Jews say the Christians have no basis for their beliefs, and the Christians say the Jews have no basis for their beliefs. They say so even though they read the scripture. The claim of those who have no knowledge of the scripture is similar. Allah will judge between them concerning their differences on the day of resurrection.
وَمَنْ أَظْلَمُ مِمَّنْ مَنَعَ مَسَاجِدَ اللَّهِ أَنْ يُذْكَرَ فِيهَا اسْمُهُ وَسَعَى فِي خَرَابِهَا أُولَئِكَ مَا كَانَ لَهُمْ أَنْ يَدْخُلُوهَا إِلَّا خَائِفِينَ لَهُمْ فِي الدُّنْيَا خِزْيٌ وَلَهُمْ فِي الْآخِرَةِ عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ.
Who is more iniquitous than he who bars Allah's places of worship, that his name be mentioned there, and seeks their destruction? It does not behove such people to enter them, and should they enter, they should enter in fear. There is degradation for them in this world and a mighty chastisement in the next.
وَلِلَّهِ الْمَشْرِقُ وَالْمَغْرِبُ فَأَيْنَمَا تُوَلُّوا فَثَمَّ وَجْهُ اللَّهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ وَاسِعٌ عَلِيمٌ.
The east and the west belong to Allah. To whichever direction you turn, you will be turning to Allah. Allah is all-embracing, all-knowing.
وَقَالُوا اتَّخَذَ اللَّهُ وَلَدًا سُبْحَانَهُ بَل لَّهُ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ كُلٌّ لَّهُ قَانِتُونَ.
They say Allah has taken to himself a son. Glory to him. Nay, whatever is in the heavens and the earth belongs to Him. To Him are all in obeisance.
بديع السماوات والأرض وإذا قضى أمرا فإنما يقول له كن فيكون.
He is the originator of the heavens and the earth. Whenever He decrees a matter, He merely says, "Be," and it is.
وقال الذين لا يعلمون لولا يكلمنا الله أو تأتينا آية كذلك قال الذين من قبلهم مثل قولهم تشابهت قلوبهم قد بينا الآيات لقوم يوقنون.
The ignorant say, why does Allah not speak to us? Why does no sign come to us? The same was said by people before them. Their hearts are all alike. We've made the signs clear for people of firm faith.
إنا أرسلناك بالحق بشيرا ونذيرا ولا تسأل عن أصحاب الجحيم.
What greater sign can there be than that we sent you with the truth as a bearer of good tidings and a warner? And you will not be answerable about the people of the blazing flame.
ولن ترضى عنك اليهود ولا النصارى حتى تتبع ملتهم قل إن هدى الله هو الهدى ولئن اتبعت أهواءهم بعد الذي جاءك من العلم ما لك من الله من ولي ولا نصير.
Never will the Jews be pleased with you, O Prophet, nor the Christians, until you follow their way. Say, surely Allah's guidance is the true guidance. Should you follow their desires, disregarding the knowledge which has come to you, you shall have no protector or helper against Allah.